Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to stress a image in Photopea software. So let's start it. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see stress image in Photopea. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and village option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open. Now we click from confirm option. Then you can see stress picture. Now keyboard press from Ctrl T. Now keyboard press from Ctrl T and space your image. Now keyboard press from enter. That it's. Now you can see stress image in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.